Hi everybody, I hope you're all safe and well. I hope the videos that I've produced recently for you during the lockdown period have been helpful to you all in managing common dental problems. As you are well aware, practices in England are due to reopen soon, and we have now produced a video of the new patient experience that you can expect at Millennium Dentistry. You, your family, and our staff safety are of extreme importance to us. We want your visit to the practice to be a safe and successful one. To book an appointment, you either call us or send us an email during our practice opening hours so that we can ensure a safe environment at all times. We are adding a buffer period in between appointments to allow additional time for decontamination procedures, appointment overruns, and preparation time for the next patient. This means that we shall be seeing a smaller number of patients than previously. Prior to your appointment, our receptionist will contact you to go through your medical history and update you on what you can expect at your appointment. Only arrive at the practice if you have already booked an appointment. Once you arrive at the practice, please stay in your vehicle. Our receptionist will call you once we are ready for you to arrive at the practice door. If you are arriving at the practice via an alternative method of transport or walking, then please knock at the practice door, where you'll be greeted by a member of our staff who will then guide you into the practice. You must attend on your own unless you are accompanying a child, are a translator or a carer. Therefore, a patient can only be accompanied by one other person. This is very important for maintaining social distancing. Please bring as little as possible to our practice to help keep it a safe environment. Please limit what you bring into the building, such as bags, coats, and please remove any jewellery prior to arriving. Our waiting area has been adjusted for adequate social distancing. Please attend using your own facial covering. On arrival, your temperature will be checked by a member of our staff. Our reception area has social distancing markings, which we require you to adhere to. We have screen protection for the additional safety of both our patients and our staff. Prior to going into surgery, you'll be required to use one of our hand gels as instructed by a member of our staff. If you do not have your own facial covering, then you can purchase one from us before you are seen in surgery. If you require the use of toilet facilities, please ask a member of our staff before you are taken into your surgery for your appointment. You will be guided by a member of our staff to the appropriate surgery. Here at Millennium Dentistry, we are very fortunate to have a 5-surgery practice, which allows for social distancing. When you enter the surgery, please don't be alarmed. Under the new personal protection equipment will be the same caring and cheerful dentist and nurse you are already used to seeing. We have a separate area in our surgeries to safely store any valuables prior to treatment so that they are not affected in any way by the surgery environment. Please note, the practice cannot accept any liability for the loss and/or damage to your valuables. When you sit in the dental chair, remove your facial covering. You will be given a pre-treatment mouthwash and you will have to rinse your mouth for 1 minute and then spit into another cup, which the nurse will give to you. You will not be able to use the spittoon due to the splashback in the surgery environment. The nurse will then prepare you with protective glasses and a disposable bib. Following completion of your treatment, the bib and protective glasses will be removed and you can have another rinse. Please replace your facial covering as soon as possible and wash your hands with soap before leaving the surgery. You will then be accompanied back to reception by a member of staff. You will be required to make payment for the treatment that you have received, preferably by contactless means where possible. Prior to departing from the building, please use the hand gel provided at reception. Once you have left the practice, we shall then thoroughly decontaminate all the relevant areas of the practice in accordance with the guidance issued to us by NHS England.